Beef Stifado is a traditional Greek recipe made with protein-packed lean beef, shallots, tomatoes, and warming spices like cinnamon and cloves. The meat is slow cooked in a red wine sauce, resulting in a tender and flavoursome meal that I hope you'll love. Hi, I'm nutritionist Scott Bapty, and in this video I'm hoping to bring the tastes, smells and flavours of Greece to here in my high protein kitchen in Aberdeenshire in Scotland. If you've ever been to Greece on holiday before, there's a high chance you will have tried one of their most popular recipes, beef stifado. It's a rich and tasty casserole packed with flavour. Due to the spice combination used in the recipe, it's got quite a different flavour compared to a lot of the beef stews and casseroles we're used to cooking here in the UK. And in my opinion, that's what gives it such a unique and delicious flavour. Right, enough talking about it, let's go and cook it.
You're going to start by preparing and peeling 20 shallots. Now, normally I would use red onions because I find peeling shallots a total pain in the arse, but because we're putting them in whole, you do actually need to commit to the shallot. 20 of them is what you need, and then pop them into a large oven-proof pan with a little olive oil and fry them on a low heat until they start to caramelize and turn golden brown. Once they're cooked through, you're going to add 4 garlic cloves, pressed, chopped, mince, however, doesn't really matter, and fry that for a further 30 seconds. At this point in the video, please hit that like button. It just means you're more likely to see these videos of mine in the future. Thank you very much. Once you've clicked the like button, then add some passata and red wine. If you don't take alcohol, you could use some stock at this stage. Then add your dry spices. We're using cinnamon, nutmeg, oregano and some red wine vinegar, along with about a teaspoon of salt, and then about the same, maybe slightly less, of black pepper. Add 4 whole cloves, along with 2 bay leaves and some sprigs of rosemary. Then you want to tip in your lean diced beef, about a kilo, and mix all of that through. Once it has been nicely combined, you want to pop it into the oven about 160 degrees for around about 3 hours. Once the timer is up, remove it from the oven, take off the lid, breathe in the smells of this delicious Greek Stifado, and then start to plate it up.
Now for the all-important taste test. It certainly smells like holiday. Let's see if it tastes like holiday as well. Try and get a small bit so I'm not chomping away at it when trying to speak to you guys. Yeah, delicious. Those spices, the cinnamon, the cloves, it just gives it a really warm flavour that we just don't get from a lot of the kind of stews and casseroles that we normally cook, or not the ones that I certainly normally cook anyway. Yeah, it's taking me back to that Greek holiday. Winner, winner, beef stifado dinner. Anyway, I would normally serve this with rice or orzo, which is a really popular type of pasta in Greece. It's like rice-shaped pasta. It would go well with it. Some kind of roast veg. That would be the sort of complete meal for me. Anyway, regardless of how you cook it, I hope you enjoy it. As always, please do click that like button before you go. If you're a new subscriber, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future high protein recipes, and leave a comment below if you have made this before. Anyway, kala olarexi, or enjoy your meal.